Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, so today I want to explain the code of detailist activity and also the XML detailist activity of my Bitoka project. Okay, the type of content first is about list A, and then demo screen, and then the code. Okay, about Lista. This feature is used as a means of reading prayers for users who want to carry out various activities in this feature. Several prayers have been provided, namely morning and evening prayer, home prayer, prayer for food and drink, travel prayer, prayers, and good ethics. And then this is demo. This is the splash screen. And then this is the dashboard screen. On the dashboard screen, there is the menu, menu, and then there is the poster inspiration. And then if we click icon doa, we go to we go to list doa screen. And then if you click card pagi dan malam, we go to detail list doa. And if we click doa sebelum tidur, we go to detail doa screen. Then uh, now we go to. I want to explain the code. Okay, now the first I want to explain the activity detail is to XML. First, X, in details to XML, we use constraint layout for set the layout. In constraint layout, we use a layout width for set the width to make parent. And then we use layout height to for adjust the height to match parent, and we call the menu doa detail. We call detail doa activity class, and then we use toolbar for the toolbar. In toolbar, we make the ID toolbar is detail doa, and we use layout width and height for adjust the width and height. And then we use a background for the background of the screen, or the background of toolbar. And then we use subtitle text appearance for the text on the toolbar. And then we add a navigation icon for for icon rollback. This uh, this navigation icon, and then we constrain end to end parent, top to top parent, and start to start parent for adjust the toolbar. And then here we use recycler view. We make the ID of recycle view rv doa, and then we add layout width and layout width for adjust the recycler view, and then we use constraint top to bottom, bottom to bottom, end to end, and start to start for adjust the for set set for adjust the reservoir view. And then we use margin top for and then we use layout margin top here for 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 space for space for space between recycle view and the toolbar. And then we use list item for the display screen like this. Okay. Okay, so now I want to explain the code of detail list activity class and also recycle view. Okay. Uh, so this is a variable binding for call ID from XML. So here we call activity detail list doa XML, and this is variable data, variable title and logo. We use string because the title is alphabet, and we and this variable logo we use integer because the logo is image. Okay, then we use override fun on create for function, and then this code for call XML detail list doa, and then this code for set the XML, and then uh, uh, this code bring the data title and logo to the next. We call the variable first, and then intent or move, and then we bring the data, and then the data the pattern of data is string, and here we use number because logo is image, or I can like that. Okay. This code for set the toolbar, And then we we use recycler view for uh, for logic for the logic. Okay, and then we make the variable list, and then we use array list for the data type, and then we call the model class, and then we use array list of for accommodate a lot of data, and then we use when the title title is the variable, and and then when the wait, when the string is click uh, when the string is click uh, call the data doa rumah, and then oh call the data doa rumah, and then we call the list data doa rumah, and then if the string perjalanan is click call data doa perjalanan, and then call list data doa perjalanan, and then makanan dan minuman, etika baik, and salat, like that too gitu. And then we use set has fixed size true for the screen will be responsive. For the screen will be responsive according to device. And then we use layout manager and linear layout manager for the list vertical. And then we use on option item selected for when the back button in the toolbar is clicked, uh, move to move to previous screen. If we use set super action bar, we must use on option item selected. Okay, so we go to the model. So the model for save the data, and we use parcelize because we want to save a lot of data, and we use parcelize because uh, we use the data we use the data in other class. Okay, so we go to data the model. data doa makanan minum makan minum. Sorry guys. So data data for data for explain the data, explain the detail of the data, and then this is the data of data doa makan minum. Sorry. We use array of because we want to accommodate a lot of data. Okay, and then we make variable is data doa makan minum, and then we use array list for the data type, and then we call the model class. And then we use get for take the data, and then we make the variable list. We use array list for the data type, and then we call the model class. Okay, and then uh, this code for for adjust the list position, and, and then we use in the case for accommodate a lot of data and place the data in its proper place. And then we make variable doa. We call the model class. And then this code for call the data and adjust the position of this. And then we use list at all for make the display list and then enter the list on the screen. Okay, so we go to adapter. So first we make a variable list to a and then we use array list for data type. And then we call the raw model. And then we make a variable logo and then we use integer for the data type. And then we use recycler view. And then here we use in class for describe the components in the layout, and then this and then we make a variable IV logo data, and then the data type is image view, and then we call the ID IV logo data from res, and and then we make a TV title doa, variable TV title doa, and then we use text view for the data type, and then we call the ID of TV title doa from res. And then here we use on create view holder for determines the layout or location of the data to be displayed. And then here we use get item count for calculate the for calculate the amount of data to be displayed. And then we use return list dot size for call the list and then calculate the data. And then here is unbind view folder displays the data that we have specified and the on-grid view folder. And then this is code for the text. We make the variable doa and then we call release doa. We call the data as doa, and then we set the position of this doa. And then this is a code for image. Um, Here we will set on click listener so that the so the so the image can be can so so you can click on at the image, and then we make variable intent and then intent to detail doa activity class. If we click the image, we move to detail doa activity screen, and then we use put extra for bring the data to another screen, and then we start activity for start activity and detail doa activity class. Okay, I think that's all for me. I apologize if I made any mistake. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.